Today, we will be showing you the 4 types of clips we carry and also how to install them. The first clip here is called a KK clip. Pretty simple to install. You put the top on, you bend the tab over, you bend the second tab over. Easy as 1, 2, 3. The next clip is called an ML clip. For this clip, you will need 2 pair of vice grips. You will need 1 pair to hold the plates together, the other one to hold the clip to the spring. You will then bend the side with the tab over, hammering over the other side, and then bending the tab over, locking it. The third clip is called a clinch clip. This one, you will need a little ball peen hammer, a strong arm, and the spring will have to be disassembled. You hammer in the rivet, and then you bend over the sides. The last clip we have here is called a bolt clip. Much like the clinch clip, you will need a rivet, a strong arm, and you will need the spring to be disassembled. You hammer in the rivet, you put the plate back in the spring, you put the bolt through, and it's that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe.